Fast release or slow release? Do you know why to choose one versus the other? And what the real difference is and what it means for you and your lawn. Because if you don't, I assure you, you're wasting time, money, and you're taking a huge risk with your lawn. So today, I'm breaking down fast release versus slow release fertilizer. But more importantly, when to actually use one versus the other, so you can stop guessing and start getting results. Let's start with fast release fertilizer, because this is your quick hit. You put it down, your lawn, it responds fast. You get a nice green color pop in just a few days. But there is a catch. Fast release dumps nitrogen on your lawn all at one time. And so that means quick growth, quick color, but it comes with a higher risk of you burning your lawn if you overdo it. Now, this isn't just something you can throw down whenever you want. Fast release makes sense when you're having cooler or milder weather, or maybe in the fall when you need a quick boost of growth. And all you want to do is get your lawn green and growing. But using this in the heat, that's where people get into trouble. Now, slow release, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. Instead of one big hit, you feed your lawn over a period of time. Now, that steady growth means less stress and a much lower chance of you burning your lawn. Now, this is what you want to use when you're going for more of an even growth and a much more controlled release. Now, slow release really shines going into summer or even during stressful conditions, or really anytime you want to be safe and consistent. But it comes at a cost, because generally speaking, slow release fertilizers can cost 4 or even 5 times that of a fast release. Now, here is where most people get lost. How do you even know if the fertilizer that you're using is slow release or fast release? Because the bags, they don't always make it seem so obvious. So here is the easiest way to tell. Look at the label and focus on the nitrogen. That's the first number in the NPK on the bag. Then scan for words like slow release nitrogen or controlled release. You may even see words like polycoated or sulfur coated. If you see that, you've got slow release. Now, here's the shortcut that most people miss. There is usually a percentage listed on the bag. So if you see something like 50% slow release, then that means half the bag is slow release while the other 50% is quick release. So if it says nothing about slow release on the bag, guess what? You've got fast release fertilizer. Now, usually that means urea or ammonium sulfate, but keep this in mind. Most fertilizers actually have a mix of both, a little fast release for color and some slow release for a long-term feeding. And that is a solid combination for a lot of different situations. All right, so now you know exactly what you're putting down on your lawn. So here is a simple rule, because it's all about picking the right tool for the right job to get you the desired result. If you want a cost-effective, fast-acting product with a low application rate, fast release is the way to go. But if you want a consistent release with a heavier application rate but a higher price tag, slow release is going to be your choice. And it's really that simple. Let me quickly save you from the most common mistake that I see, and that is using a fast release fertilizer in the heat. See, cool season lawns do not like to be pushed in summer, but warm season does. But either way, you have to watch your application rates. You have to make sure that you get them watered in, and be cautious of your overlap, because that is where you're going to have a higher chance of burning your lawn. It's actually really simple. You just want to match the fertilizer type with what your lawn actually needs. See, it's not that one is better than the other, or that you're wrong for choosing slow release over fast release, despite what you might hear. They just have different purposes. They have different advantages and disadvantages. So choose wisely, because it could cost you. And I'm not just talking about your wallet. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.